How to use the cruise control in your Citroen C4. This is a 2019 Citroen C4 Cactus. It's pretty straightforward. The only thing that's maybe a little bit different from a lot of other cars is there's not a button to enable the cruise control. What we have is this little wheel here. So this wheel, right now, you can kind of see that this line right here, this groove here is thicker than the one and above and below. That means it's set right here on the 0, which means it's on nothing. So if you go up, it's the speed limiter, which will limit how fast you can go, but you're still in control. And then you have the actual cruise control, which will control the speed, like hold a constant speed that you set it at. So we go down to that. If we go down to that, then up on the screen here, we'll get a little cruise control icon will show up on the screen. And then from here, we can set our speed once we're driving at the speed we want, and then we can manually control it by going, like if we want to slow down, we can hold this to slow down, speed up, slow down, speed up. And say we're going at 100 kilometers an hour and we need to slow down, but we want it to remember that. We can just hit pause, and that will cut the cruise control, but it will remember the speed, so that then when we resume it, then it will go straight back to the 100 kilometers an hour. So anyways, hope this video helped. If it did, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.